Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved 38 questions out of 75, and now we have to continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have to solve the first question on binary tree. Okay, so there is given a binary tree. You have to print the right side view of a binary tree. Okay, so what this question is meaning, so let's understand with an example. Here is given example 1 2 and 1 2 1 2 3 5 and 4. Okay, so here is given a 5 and here is 4. You just have to print the right side view, means if someone is seeing from right side, then which node they can see, you just have to print only those nodes. Okay, so there is only 3 nodes which we can see from the right side is 1, 3 and 4, because the 2 is height from 3 and 5 is height from 4. So what is the output? The output is 1, comma 3, comma and 4. So this is an output, you just have to print it. Okay. In the same way, here is given a second example also, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So if you see from the right side, you can view 1, 3, 4 and 5, not 2 because 2 is height from 3. Okay. So you just have to print 1, 3, 4, 5. Here is an output 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I hope you understand. So how we can approach it? First we have to create a vector comma int answer which is of which will I pass the levels of root comma 0. Okay, and then I just have to take the level order traversal level order of root and answer. Okay, and after this you just have to return the answer, and let's make the function for int level where we pass the tree tree node star root, and then you just have to check if root is equals to null, then you just have to return the true return 0, sorry, you have to return 0, and then you just have to again int level of tree equals to 1 plus max of level root comma left comma root. You just have to pass the level also, level of root comma right. Okay, you just have to pass it, and after this you just have to return the level of tree. Okay, and let's create a void level order you just have to pass tree node star, you just have to pass root comma vector comma int comma answer. Okay, and then you just have to check int n equals to, you have to create a levels of root. This will find the root, how many levels in a root. So for int I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus nth level comma root comma 0 comma I comma answer. Okay, and then you just have to do cout enter. For nth level function, you have to create again a function void nth level, and then you just have to pass the star tree node star root comma int current comma int level vector comma int comma ampersand answer. Then you just have to check if root is equals to null. If it is null, then you just have to return. Okay, and if current is, and again you just have to check if current is equals to level, then you just have to mark in current answer of current equals to root ka well. Okay, and after this you just have to pass the same function for root ka left comma current plus 1 level comma answer, and then nth level with root ka right comma current plus 1 comma level comma answer. Okay, so the code has been written, so let's run this code. There is some error of a tree node function. Okay, it's capital N, so let's again run this code. Okay, it's levels. Let's again and again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.